Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold, guys. What am I predicting on gold? Before we do today's analysis on gold, let's do a quick recap on gold, guys. So if you're watching my previous analysis on gold, you know that I was predicting goods to push to the downside, right? We were around this area right here, and I said my prediction for gold is to hit my TP1 level, which we know is my negative 27% fib level, and that is 2350.770 around that area right here. And I also said our next TP area, which you know is always my 61.8% fib level, and that is around 23483.137, around that area right there, right? We can see that we hit our target right here, which was beautiful, right? We hit our target right around that area. We can see that if you have taken our trade around here, we can see that's an impulsive candle. Still shows it's gonna continue to push to the downside, and we have a retest around this area right here. Let's say here to here was to my first TP area, right? We can see the TP was about 91 pips, right? About 91 pips, right? And we can see to this next level right here, we're seeing 166 around that area right here, which was a beautiful trade, guys. So we can see that we actually surpassed it a little bit to push down to this area, but that is fine because we've hit our TP. We don't have to be greedy in the market, right? So now I'm going to delete my previous analysis on gold, guys, and let's reanalyze gold based on the current price market we have, just to see. Let's see. Now you know I like to do top-down analysis. Let's go to the monthly time frame, guys, and let's see what gold is looking like. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. So we can see now that gold is tanking to the downside. We know, just like I mentioned in my, like you always know, my negative 27% fib level is always a reversal level, right? And we can see that as soon as we got there, we actually rejected around that area. This is the monthly time frame, don't forget. So you might not be able to see the rejection, but if you go to smaller time frame, let me go to the monthly time frame, we can see that when we got here we actually pushed down for a while, right? So now we can see that pushing to the upside. Now we can see it's giving us this beautiful engulfing pattern. So definitely my next target overall will be somewhat around my negative 61.8% fib level, but that would be like a long has TP because this is the monthly time frame that we can see right here, which is about 1000 TPs, right? We can see 2739, right? Pips. So but we have to take it one step at a time now. So I think my next TP will be around maybe to 500 will be like a good area for the next TP. Now let's go to my daily time frame, guys, and my weekly time frame. Let's see what we are seeing. Nothing much, right? Let's go to my daily. Let's delete this one. Let me delete this one right here. Let me delete this as well. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let me delete this too. I don't want it to be too crowded. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's go to my weekly time frame and see. If I draw a line right here, let's see, visibility, daily. Okay. Let's go to my daily time frame and see, so I can adjust the trend line. Let's go to my 4 hour. Let's see how the market is playing out. We can see that it's giving the trend of like an uptrend impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse broke the structure right here, came back here, impulse break the structure right here, came back to retest, now broke the structure. It might come back a little bit to retest, then continue to push to the upside. So right here I can just draw a mini trend line right as well from here to here. Let's say that will be a 4-hour time frame right here, just to show that we are on an uptrend. So let's see, I'm gonna draw a mini zone right here. So let's see this mini zone right here, right, just to show that we broke structure. Let's say daily. Okay, right here. So that shows there is a possibility. Let me clone that. Let's clone it, move it to around this area right here. So let's see, let's react to that as well. Let's go to my daily time frame. My put a line right here too. I can see that would be 1 hour's trend line. So this is where I like to simplify my trade, right, to just make it easy, right? So the fact that we never had, like, currently we don't have like a higher high right now on gold, because this is the higher high we've had. If you go to the bigger time frame, you can see the past that this is like the highest we have so far. So we just have to take that one step at a time, guys, right? So let's say, let me use my fib right here, point A head to point B. Let's see, rejected around 61.8. Now we're rejecting around my negative 61% fib level, as we can see. And this is why I just like Fibonacci, because Fibonacci aligns so beautifully well with the market structure. We can see that we have this right here, we have that. Now we are currently around my 61.8% fib level, as you can see, right? Let's see that. So now we're taking it one step at a time. Let's go from here to here. Almost done. So let's see, let me make it from here. Let's see from here. Let me see my 2-hour time frame. Let's see it from like here to here. Let's see my 45 minutes. I don't like the way it looks from here to here. This is not giving me like a good reaction to reject from, to draw a trend line. So I think I'm not going to draw a trend line here, right? I can just use like market structure. So if you're going to continue to push to the upside, because we can see, let's go to more smaller time frame and see if I can see more price action, right? Okay, let's say this looks good. We can see right here that it's giving some sort of like an M pattern, so there's a possibility for it to push down around this area there. If I use my mini view from point A here to point B, we can see that around here is my negative 27% fib level, so there's a possibility for it to come here right here before thanking to the upside. We can see that I can't draw my fib around this area right here because it hasn't given me enough retracement for me to know that this counts as point B, right? And that is why I'm not using any fib right here, or I'm just using straight market structure. So there's a possibility for it to come right around this area right here. So based on that, let's just put a mini line right here. Let's change the color right here. So let me draw. I think we're gonna come, if we're pushing down here, would be a good target, right? Then we might come here to continue to push the upside, but let's just take it one step at a time. Or there's a possibility for it to at least come down to this area right here, right? So let's put that one step. There is this imbalance and break of structure right here that we can also see that we might get to, which also aligns with this trend line, as you can see. So those are like the possibilities for sell targets that I'm looking forward to. Let's see. uh, the other targets will be my trend line right here, which is 425, 425. So those are my target for sale, guys. So there's a possibility we might have this impulse correction, either this area right here to turn to the upside, right? Or we might just continue to tank to the upside. So for us to continue to tank to the upside, right, at least we'll want a confirmation of some sort of like a break of structure, retest that level, give us break this previous ones right here, put a good close candle, not something like that. This broke it, right? We can see that it broke it with like this weak rejection. So this didn't solidify anything. So we want like a good candlestick to close above the zone right here. Give us some sort of like a retest, give us like the higher low for us to know that it's going to continue to push to the upside. Then we will ride it to around this area right here. So that is what from here, something like this. Then we'll ride it, right? Then we will ride it to my next target, which is around that area right there. So let's see. 450. Hey guys, so this is my quick analysis update on gold, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.